Hi, and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. This video we show you the contractor pouring a 9-inch concrete residential driveway. The driveway has 8 inches of lime subgrade. The steel is a number 3 bar on 12-inch centers. The steel is being held up by plastic chairs. The expansion joints are made out of redwood. And the concrete is a 7-sack Hirely mix, meaning that the concrete will achieve 80% of its strength in 24 hours. The concrete is to be poured at a slump of 4 to 6 inches. I have explained the slump process in previous videos, so if you haven't seen it, please go back and look at some of the other videos. The contractor has a man working the chute, and the other workers are spreading the concrete with the rakes. It is very important that the man working the chute spreads the concrete out. This prevents overworking the workers. Here you see the workers are keeping up with the chute man. The workers are using a 2x4 for a striker. The striker can be wood or aluminum. The striker is pulled along the forms to level the concrete. This is back-breaking work. You see the workers pulling the excess concrete from in front of the striker. This is a very important part of finishing the concrete. This part of the driveway is called the approach. All concrete driveways have a radius. This driveway has a 10-foot radius. You can see the radius is turning towards the redwood expansion joint. You can see next to the man's foot who's working the chute is an A-box, or also called a bow box. The contractor is now pouring the sidewalk which runs through the driveway. You can see one of the workers using a concrete vibrator. This is used to remove any air pockets, or what we call honeycombs. If the air pockets remained, it would greatly reduce the concrete's integrity, causing cracks or other failures. Here you see the workers finishing the concrete driveway. The tool on the long blue rod is called a bull float. This is used to smooth out the concrete. He makes using the float look easy, but it's really not. This worker is using a hand trowel around the edges. Here you see the worker with a bull float working from the other side. I don't know what he's saying, but if you do, leave it in the comments. Here's another angle showing you the bull float. You can see a big difference where the float has been used. Here's a close-up of the worker using the hand trowel. Now here's the final product. The sidewalk has been scored every 5 foot. and the driveway has a nice broom finish. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please click the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.